Hi, this is Helga. Thinking of selling your home? Well, here are 5 tips to make sure it goes smoothly. Find a good realtor. Did you know that there are nearly 70,000 licensed real estate agents in the Toronto Real Estate Board? The best way to start is usually to ask a friend for a referral or a family member. Somebody that's had a good experience will be the best place for you to find a great realtor. Number 2, get an assessment of your home. What needs to be done to get your home in the best condition to attract the highest price? Number 3, talk to the bank. If you're moving to another home, can you port your mortgage, like bring it with you and blend it into a larger mortgage? Or if you want to pay off your mortgage, move into something smaller with the proceeds, well, what are the penalties? Number 4, line up the contractors and the various services to help you get your home ready for sale. Number 5, once your home is ready, that's when the realtor moves in with professional photography, videography, floor plans, a possible home inspection, social media advertising, and make sure that everything is set up to attract buyers and to get your home sold for the highest price with the least amount of stress for you. You know, they say it takes a village to raise a child. Well, it takes a great realtor to get your home sold for the highest price with the least amount of stress for you. If you're thinking of selling your home and would like to talk about your next steps, please reach out. I'd be happy to help.